Hello and welcome to 5 Drive School of Motoring. It's Mohammed. I hope you guys are doing great. This is a chance real test video. He took his test at Heaton Test Center and time of the test was 8:10. Okay, he's at the test center and test is about to start, so he's gonna move off. And at the end of the car park, he's gonna be turning right. You can't go left anyway because it's a dead end. Okay, so speed limit will be mentioned throughout the test at the top left corner. So at the end of this road, he will be told to turn right. And then he'll be told to pull up on the left somewhere safe. And then he's going to move off again when it's safe to do so. Bottom of this road, he'll be told to turn right. So it's a closed junction. Sometimes cars are parked very close to the junction. So just take it nice and easily and just peep and creep if you can't see. So as you can see, Chan waited here for some time and he made sure when it's safe. That's when he pulled out. And then he's going to be taking the next road on the left. And then ahead he's going to be turning left. It's giveaway, so be careful. Road marking is clearly visible. It's a little faint. I believe they've repainted it now, but yeah, just be careful with this road marking because sometimes learners do make mistake here as well. And then he's going to be told to pull up on the left somewhere safe. Okay, so here he's going to carry out a reverse parking exercise. So he's going to park next to the car on the left hand side and then he's going to be reversing behind it. Examiner will tell you to finish the maneuver within 2 cars length space and keep reasonably close to the curb. So I believe he did that perfectly because he got absolutely no mistakes on this. Okay, so he's ready to move off again. This is where he's going to start his independent driving. Again, independent driving can start from anywhere. So just don't assume that he's going to be starting from this point. But Chan carried out his independent driving from this point onwards. And he was following a sat-nav. Okay, at the top of the road, it's give way, so he's going to be turning right at this crossroad. At the bottom of this road, there's a traffic light, so he is going to be turning right. The road marking is very obvious, you can see, so he stayed in the right lane. Okay, Chan is on Manningham lane now. Ahead is going to be a bus lane. So I'm going to try and pause the video and see if we can spot that signboard. It says 7:30 to 9:30. So 2 hours every morning from Monday to Friday. You cannot drive in this bus lane. So his test was 8:10. So he had to stay away from it, which he did. Now you're going to see this road marking on the floor, the arrow going straight and going to the left. So this is where you should normally come back in your lane. And that's exactly what Achan did. Okay, now there is going to be another bus lane coming up ahead. This one is operating in the morning and afternoon as well. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the signboard, so it says 7:30 to 9:30 plus 4 to 6:30 as well. So again, this was his test time, so he stayed away from the bus lane. And then again, when you see this road marking, you have to come back in the left lane, and ahead is going to be turning left at this traffic light. Right, now there is a traffic light, that's where he's going to be turning right. As you can see, there's a separate lane for you to go into to turn right. And yeah, he's going to stop just behind that car. And then when he's safe, he's going to take the turn. Okay, now he's going to pull up on the left just before that red car. And then he'll be asked to move off again when it's safe to do so. Okay, now Chan is going to go left at this traffic light, and then he's going to be turning right at the next set of traffic light. So light was just changing and he went through it. So if you think it's going to be a sudden break, you need to continue, which he did. So the reason he stayed in the right lane was because he's going to be turning right at the next set of traffic lights. So he planned for the next right turn already. And then at this roundabout, he's going to be turning a left. The speed limit has just changed to 20 miles an hour. And there is a zebra crossing on the left hand side as well, so be careful. Sometimes learners are looking too much on the right on the roundabout, and they miss who's crossing the road, so just be careful with that. This traffic light coming up, he's going to be turning right. Okay, ahead, it's just going to follow the road to the right, because on the left it's for buses only, so you can only go right here. You can see the sign on the left hand side. It says buses, cyclists and taxis only. Okay, and this mini roundabout is gonna be turning right.
Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek.
And at this traffic light is going to be turning left. Okay, now ahead is going to be two lanes again. So left lane goes left only, as you can see on the floor. So he stayed in the right lane. A while ago, one of my learners failed test here because she just stayed in the left lane and went straight ahead, I believe. Anyways, turning right at the traffic light. So the speed limit has just changed to 30 miles an hour. Okay, the next set of traffic lights, Achan is going to be turning right. As you can see, the filter light is on ahead of you, so he just continued and completed this turn because he did not need to stop for the oncoming traffic.
I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see
Okay, on this road, the speed limit has recently changed. When Achan took test, this road was at 30 miles an hour. As you can see, I've put 20 miles an hour sign on top, just because it has changed to 20 miles an hour. And it's going to be coming up to the next set of traffic lights. Now, you guys who are going to watch this video now, there's no 30 sign. But when you will actually go there and do this route with your instructor, you will see just by the traffic light there will be end of 20 and a start of 30 zone, so just pay attention to that. So speed limit is going to be 30 miles an hour from now on. okay at the traffic light, he's going to be turning left. And up on that road somewhere, independent driving ended. So when the independent driving part is finished, examiners will give you directions as normal, so you just need to keep driving. And at the next set of traffic lights, he is going to be turning right. Right, now he's going to be taking next road on the left onto a Scotchman road. And now Chan will be told to pull up on the left somewhere safe. I don't think he chose the best spot to pull up on the left, because there was keep clear sort of white line, but probably he kept the gates clear, so examiner did not give him any mistake at all. So he could have pulled up here somewhere. It would have been a lot better, but then again, he did not obstruct anyone, and he just did not get a mistake there at all. Now he's going to be turning left, and then he's going to be going left into the test center. Now guys, Achan did pass his test and he got absolutely no minor mistakes. Yeah, it was a clean sheet, so it was a wonderful drive, and examiner really acknowledged that. So congratulations to Achan, and thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I shall see you in the next one.